Hello, my name is Tanner Clark. Welcome to my presentation. I have worked at ZF Transmissions for 3 years now. I have seen many hazards in ZF Transmissions, and I would like to discuss with you my solutions to these hazards to improve the safety of employees. If you work in a factory, you have seen spills on the floor. Not only is there liquid in the floor, but equipment in the factory is also in the floor. Imagine the safety issues within the factory. This alone puts many employees at risk. There has been 25 slip and fall accidents within the past year at ZF Transmission. It is time that we take a stand and change slip hazards so that they are non-existent. There are many causes to slip and fall accidents within the workplace. Many of them consist of some type of liquid such as oil or water in the floor. Another cause of slip accidents are hoses being left out without anywhere to return them. Many employees just throw the hoses on the ground and continue working their station. The last cause of slip and fall accidents is employees dropping parts and not picking them up because they are not sure what to do with them. Also seen in this photo, slip and falls can have a domino effect on the employees, customers, and company. If an employee has a slip and fall accident, then the employee will now miss a lot of work due to injuries sustained in the accident. This passes stress onto other employees to work faster to help keep the numbers up. Customers will start to see other orders taking longer than they usually do. This puts a hold on the customer's make and model car they are trying to build. The company will then get bad reputation with the customer. The customer could start looking somewhere else to find good business. The employee could also affect how others view the company. Since many employees are suffering with slip and fall accidents, people will not want to apply at ZF Transmissions. I present to you one of the solutions for slip and fall hazards, a safety rag. From now on, all employees must carry an absorbent rag in their back pocket. If the employee spills something, they should use their rag to wipe the liquid up. If there is a lot of water or oil in the floor, each station will use a safety button button that the employee will press. This will activate the safety team to come clean up the bigger spills. When equipment such as hoses and parts is left out on the floor, the middle of the way, there should be a designated area to place hoses and drop parts. Hoses should have hanging areas so they are not laying on the ground. When they are not in use, drop parts should be picked up immediately and placed within a scrap container. This is the easiest way to prevent slip and falls when it comes to drop parts. Slip and fall accidents have happened 25 times within the past year at ZF Transmissions. The cause of slip and falls have been from liquid equipment being in the floor. This has a negative impact on employees, customers, and the company. The solutions must be implemented as soon as possible to prevent employees from injuring themselves or others. The solutions should also be implemented for our customers because they need their order to run their business. The company needs these solutions implemented because ZF Transmissions is getting a bad reputation for these injuries.